Hey YouTube, last time you saw us we were fighting, this time we're sumo wrestling.
We got a cameraman back.
See? Yeah.
And
okay.
we got a manly fatness by our side.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
No, push him to see how far you can go.
Try to get up now, fatty.
You're fatness.
Yeah.
Somebody's eyes.
Oh, I'm tickling. He's a wimp. He can't take my manly.
Mm-hmm.
See, that right there is a chicken wing. You gotta always keep your eyes open.
In case something.
See,
I've been working out.
this is a chicken wing right here, and this is a whole chicken. Hey!
Don't hurt him.
Oh, God.
Okay, I'm stopping it.
Oh.